Hi, my name is Sumeet and I was working at Dubai Airport Terminal 3 in the year of 2018 and 19. But after COVID, I lost my job and I had a dream to work at Dubai airports or in any international airport uh, since I was young. And many of my friends are asking to each other now what to do, where to apply for jobs or which field to choose. So I was referred by my friends that there is an academy called Blue Ocean. Do your course from there and then apply again in the airports. And for me, I thought applying in Emirates or in any airlines like Etihad and Emirates would be very tough and selections would be very tough. So while I was doing my course in Blue Ocean Academy with my teacher Miss Megma, she helped me a lot to build up my CV and what does Emirates look in your CV, what does Etihad look in your CV. So I had taken a break and gone to India, and I had applied in Emirates before going to India, and luckily that was my first time I had applied in Emirates and I got a call from there for the second round. So just to tell you, if you're looking for your dream in aviation, Blue Ocean is for you.